रिफ्लेक्शन, है ना।
सर रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है क्या सर?
हाँ रिकॉर्ड कर दिया यार।
ओके ठीक है सर।
ठीक है। सो मेरे को क्या करना है यहाँ पे, रिफ्लेक्शन नीचे क्रिएट करना है ऐसे कि मेरे को पार्टिकल थोड़े मोरे ऐड करने हैं, एंड आई वांट टू डुप्लीकेट एक और 2-3 बॉक्स डुप्लीकेट करना है। सो कैसे करेंगे उस चीज के लिए? सो वंस यू आर डन विद दिस हियर, लास्ट क्लास तक में मैंने यहाँ पे इजी एंड ईज नहीं किया था। यू कैन कम हियर एंड यू कैन डू की असिस्टेंट इजी ईज हियर, एंड व्हाट यू कैन डू इज राइट नाउ आप इसको की फ्रेम को कॉपी करके, इफ यू वांट टू डू द repeat the animation, ठीक है। सो इफ यू वांट टू रिपीट द एनिमेशन हियर, आप इसको कॉपी पेस्ट करके कर सकते हो। रोटेशन को अगर आपको थोड़ा सा ज्यादा देना है तो आप एक्सटेंड कर दो। इट्स अप टू यू कि अगर आप थोड़ा फास्ट रोटेशन देना चाहते हैं, यू कैन गो हियर टू द लास्ट की फ्रेम, एंड यहाँ जैसे देख सकते हो 1 है, यू कैन ऐड 10, तो इट विल बी अ फास्ट रोटेशन। इट्स अप टू यू कि किस तरह से आप रोटेशन ऐड करना चाहते हो। Once you're done with this, I'll select all the layer, I'll press U, select all layer again and go to layer, and I'll do a pre-compose here. So I'll do a pre-compose, I'll name this as a box. Now आप देख सकते हैं इस समय आपके पास leave all the attribute का ऑप्शन नहीं आएगा। leave attributes का ऑप्शन उसी समय आता है when you guys are making working on a just single layer. Now in this case you guys are working on a multiple layers, so you won't get a move leave all the attributes, only you will get a move all the attribute option. Hit OK. Now there will be a issue whenever you are pre-comping a 3D layer. जब भी आप 3D layer को pre-comp कर रहे हो, एक issue आपको face करना पड़ेगा, and that issue is if I go to the custom view layer, now it won't work right now. Now obviously the reason is the pre-comp layer is not a 3D layer, so you can click this button. Even if you click on a 3D layer after pre-composing, there is another issue. You can see the box does not look like a box here. If I just go back inside, you can see how a custom layer looks. But if you go on this layer, when you go on this comp, you can see it feels like something is skewing it. The reason for that is that whenever you pre-comp a 3D layer, it forgets it was a 3D layer. सिंपल सा, जब भी आप 3D लेयर को प्रीकॉम्प करते हो, वो भूल जाता है कि वो कभी 3D लेयर था, उसको आपको याद दिलाना पड़ता है। By clicking this button, collapse transformation, you can bring the detail here. We work with this button when we were working with Illustrator files. Yeah. Now, if I just hover the mouse on this icon, you will see for the comp layers, meaning for the pre-comps layer, you can if you want to bring those properties back, if you you need to click this button. When I click this button, you can see the box has retain is saved back. So whenever you are pre-comping the layer, make sure you okay. Now what I need to do is create a reflection. So I'll duplicate the layer, Control D, press P for position, and I'll just drag the position down in y-axis, and I will just play once so you guys can understand what's the problem. I want to create a reflection. Now we need to invert the box. Right now it's doing everything, that's fine, but the reflection, this area should be flipped right now. So transform and flip vertical. Okay. Now yes, there is a second problem with that. When the property of reflection is like कि जैसे जैसे distance बढ़ता चला जाता है, whenever distance increases, it starts to fade out. The reflection starts to fade out. But in this project right now, we can see 100% opaqueness. So I want to create that illusion that if this thing is going far, the transparency is also decreasing, is fading. So to do that, select the reflection layer, effect, transition, go to linear wipe, apply the linear wipe, and once you start increasing the value, you can see the transition is happening, the wipe is happening, but it's happening from left to right. I want it from bottom to top. So I'll change the angle, make it 0. If I drop the value to 0 and start dragging it again, you can see the wipe has happened.
Yes.
But I want it should create a fade effect. So I can add a feather. If I put a white background now, you will see it better. But again, you will get the idea. I'll just play with it. Now this looks much real compared to previous. I can come here and create a white solid. So it looks good. With the black background, it does not look good right now. So yeah, now you can see a great. So now I need to duplicate this layer and bring the box this side also. Now before I do this, what I will do, I'll parent the reflection to the box layer. Reason, if I take the position, if I move the main box, you will see that the reflection is moving. If I scale the main box, it's also scaling. So the best way to do, just parent your layer, duplicate it. Now I'll bring this 2 layers up, change the color. So I'll just select this layer first. I'll press position and move it. I'll move it in Z axis or Z axis. So as you can see, I just move the position of the top layer, the bottom layer or the reflection layer of that layer automatically moved with that layer. I'll select the layer again, Control D, bring that layer up, select the top layer and move it in the x-axis, as simple as it is. Just make sure you do not select the reflection layer, otherwise it will slide. Okay, so once I've done with this, I want to change the color. So to change the color, I'll go to Effect, Color Correction, Hue Saturation, and I'll change the color. So whatever color you like. Let's make it on it. I'll copy it. See, I've selected the hue saturation. Copy, select, edit, paste. I'll go to the second option again. I'll paste it. I'll change the color, say red. Copy. Now you'll find an issue when I'm playing. Now you can see this layer is popping in front of the blue layer. Can you guys see this? So you have to bring this layer up. So if I just move forward so you guys can see it. So okay, if this is happening, just make sure you bring the layer up. So if I just play it, fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you want to add an audio, you can add an audio. Right now, I don't think I have an audio in my system, but you can add. You can press the spacebar and you can listen to it. Okay. Once I think I'm almost done with this thing. I will show you a very good trick which I learned back in my student time. Say for example, you want to make this thing like it has a basket kind of thing. Now basket में क्या होता है, वहाँ पे बहुत छोटे-छोटे holes होते हैं, है ना, net type के जो होते हैं. So I want to create that thing. So if you want to create that texture, what you can do is just type a text. कोई भी एक text, single text type कर लो. I'll put a color to this. Whatever text here, a small one. आप इन दोनों लेयर को ऑफ कर दो 2 मिनट के लिए. मेक श्योर कि जो आपने टेक्स्ट लिखा है इसको प्री कंपोज करना जरूरी है. ऑब्वियसली आपके वीडियो में रहेगा. सो यू कैन गो हियर एंड जस्ट डू अ प्री कंपोज हियर and you can apply a effect. I don't remember where the location is, so I'll search that effect. It's called Collidia, colloidal, not kaleidoscope, CC Collidia. So I can go and apply this, and you can see when you apply this effect now, you'll get some very good effects happening here. You can change the rotation. You can animate this also. Okay, it's up to you. how you want to approach it. I want to create this case type of effect. Once I've done with this, if I go to my box comp now, you can see all the layers have been applied to with that texture. If I go to my main comp, you can see that same thing has been applied to this also. So this is the power of pre-composition. That's why I wanted to make sure you learn something on this. Okay, any question till here?
Okay.
Should I show you again about the, you can see in the video, it's very easy. Okay, so before I finish this session, I'll just go here and I'll switch it off this text. I'll bring it up. What I will do, I'll copy the flourish. I'll do a rotation. Put it up. You can just duplicate it so it looks. Cool.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
For the final thing, say for some reason, what you want to add a particle. Say if you are using a black background, then if you want to add a particle, you can create a new solid. We'll talk about particle later, but create a new solid, and I'll name this as a CC snowfall. I think you guys have worked with CC snowfall last semester, है ना? वो किया था render pass के ऊपर.
Yes, sir.
Apply किया था. So bring the CC snowfall. You don't need to make a 3D layer. Just go to effect, simulation, CC snowfall. Bring the opacity up, effect, color correction, curves. Bring the highlights, and I want to make this as a snow. Very feels like there should snows are falling at very slow speed. So for that, I'm going to decrease the speed somewhere around 10. Can you guys see it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
And then you can change the blending mode to add. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is what you have to do. Now, because this session is getting recorded, I'll show you some extra tip. If you want to go further, I'll show you an extra tip. I want solid right now. मैं थोड़ा सा रेड को ना I'll just bring it left side. इसका color coding change कर देता हूँ. Make it cyan. Orange is fine. This is red. I'll create a new solid. Say the red color for the red. And this is a light. Switch off the visibility of that layer for right now. Take a pen tool, and it's up to you कि आप कैसा light create करना चाहते हो. I'm just trying to create a torch light type of effect. Switch on the layer, not off the layer. Switch on the layer. I'll press M. Feather it out. Okay, if you want to bring the opacity down, you can bring it. If I switch off the layer, you can see it. Now, what I want this particle. This particle should be inside this light, not all over the places. Yes, आपका जो matte layer है, say ये light layer है, ऊपर रहेगा. I'll select the snow layer and apply alpha matte. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे snow क्या हो गया ना, कटा हुआ आ गया. दिख रहा है नहीं दिख रहा है? Let me just bring the
Yes, sir.
opposite here. दिख रहा है? So the light is here. Sorry, the snow is just inside that light only. उस लेयर की लाइट को जस्ट डुप्लीकेट कर दो. ओके सॉरी, ये लेयर ऑफ हो गया था, माय मिस्टेक. हाँ, जब भी ट्रैक मैट अप्लाई करते हैं तो लाइट वाली लेयर ऑफ हो जाती है. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
So it's a very simple. First you create a light, apply alpha matte, duplicate the layer, switch on the layer, drop the opacity down. I'll show you once again for the blue light. Select this too, Control D, bring it up. आपको हर बार ये चीज करना पड़ेगा. And अपने पास टाइम कम है, so I'll just move this points. Once I've done with this, I'll duplicate the layer, switch on, and obviously I need to change the color. So layer, solid settings. I'll take the color from here only. New, bring the opacity down. Okay, so this looks very cool. आपको फायर पार्टिकल बनाना सिखाया तो फायर पार्टिकल आप ऐड कर सकते हो, उसमें भी बहुत अच्छा दिखेगा आपको.